CIGC is the only place that successfully treated my endometriosis. I've had my horse for, I guess, going on 12 years now. His name's Thunder. Because of being sick and not being able to ride, I haven't been riding him for the last 2 years. I had a very long history with endometriosis and had very many surgeries with multiple doctors and also complications that came along with those surgeries. And in fact, my father has kept every single medical record and has them in a binder. In those binders, it's my life in a hospital, my life in and out of surgical centers or out of ORs, in and out of doctor's offices.
To see the pain, and not only the physical pain, but the emotional and spiritual pain it was causing her, it was just heart-wrenching.
I felt with all the pain and everything, I had to use the energy that I had for the most important things, and unfortunately, going to see my horse wasn't the most important thing. It was getting up and showering and trying to find a job. The first few surgeries were through just like a regular OBGYN, and she made me feel like she knew what she was doing and she knew what she was gonna make me better. But it seemed like every 2 to 3 years I was back having surgery again.
You expected, okay, the next surgery is gonna fix it, and it would, because a couple months later she'd be in pain again.
My doctor told me that she wasn't gonna touch me ever again, surgically, and I needed an advanced laparoscopic surgeon. And I Googled Washington, DC endometriosis doctors, and Dr. MacKoul came up.
For the first time, we felt that Dr. MacKoul could help us, that we were on a path where we were gonna get somewhere.
In September of 2013, it was my 24th birthday, actually. I went to his office. I was in the emergency room the night before, just due to the pain. Went to his office the next morning and was literally crying and begging for a hysterectomy. And he had been over the options with me before. He didn't want hysterectomy to be my only option because I was so young.
I know that morning when we went to see Dr. MacKoul, even he agreed with her. He could see the pain in her eyes, and without a doubt, he didn't even hesitate. He said, just go straight to the hospital and we're gonna take care of this.
I felt back to myself almost immediately versus the other surgeries where I had multiple incisions. It took me a lot longer to recover from than the DualPort did. Dr. MacKoul and his partners gave me my life back 100%.
She's literally back in the saddle again with her horse.
The first time I got back on him and got back on Thunder in 3 years since I had my hysterectomy was like riding a bike all over again, like something that you lost, that you never thought you'd have again, but you do. And now I have that back. I can't say it without crying. Having a hysterectomy and Dr. MacKoul, for sure, have changed my life for the better in so many ways. I can't even repay him enough for what he's given back to me in my life and my family.